tomato, sugar, corn, red onion, and then could I get some of the vinegar, the sauce?
Yes.
Yeah.
And then Morocco tea. Yo guys, welcome back again today. And today we're going to be trying, we're just going to get right into it. We're going to be trying Moroccan food. Now you guys know that I've actually never tried Moroccan food. I've had Moroccan tea before, but I've never had Moroccan tea maybe as traditional as this. And I've never actually tried Moroccan food before. So today we're going to try Moroccan food. And we're trying Moroccan food from the house of Couscous. I've never had couscous before, so I'm really interested to actually try couscous. If you don't know, couscous is a wheat, right? It comes from wheat, and it's actually the seeds, and they're like crushed up into like a fine, grainy substance, or like, I guess you could call it powder or flour, and then it's cooked and eaten. So couscous is, I've been wanting to try it forever. I'm actually very, very, very excited to try couscous. So let's get into it right now. First, we're going to try the traditional Moroccan tea. The Moroccan tea has honey in it. It has mint leaves, real mint leaves. It has sugar, a little bit of sugar, and obviously the most beautiful thing, the Moroccan tea. Everybody loves Moroccan tea. Moroccan tea might be one of my favorite teas in this life. Let's try it out. Moroccan tea from Couscous House. Okay. I think we need to do this from a different angle so we can really talk about the taste of this Moroccan tea. This is real Moroccan tea. This is probably maybe the realest Moroccan tea that I've ever had, and I had Moroccan tea before. It has the mint leaves, it has the honey, it has a little bit of sugar. I mean, Moroccan tea is well world renowned. Everybody knows Moroccan tea, and pretty much everybody probably loves Moroccan tea. So let's go in and let's have some right now. Let's taste it. Yeah, that's perfect. Initially, you taste the warmness of the Moroccan tea. Then you taste the mint. The mint comes in right after. And then a little bit of hint of honey, and then the sugar. This is life right here. Yo, thank you, Moroccan people. That's good. It is wintertime here too, guys. So to have something like this Moroccan tea is very, very delicious, and it's warm because it's very cold outside right now. I think it's like maybe in the 20-degree area right now, and last night it was like in the teens. So to have Moroccan tea in North America, it's a beautiful thing, man. Moroccan tea. If you haven't tried Moroccan tea, you're doing yourself a disservice. Come down to Couscous House and get you some Moroccan tea. It's very delicious. And if you like mint, you're definitely gonna love this. And so let's go to the next thing. The next thing we're gonna try is Moroccan style lentil soup. Let's go into it right now. So guys, now we're on to the Moroccan lentil soup. I'm actually very excited about this. You guys know I'm vegan, so I love lentils. I love lentils, anything lentils, beans, I love it, right? So right here in the Moroccan lentil soup, we have lentils, we have Moroccan oil, different types of oil, and we have a little bit of greens, a little bit of vegetables within here. Maybe they're green onions, maybe something like that. But it has this beautiful, beautiful golden color to it. I mean, it just looks delicious. So actually, I'm going to stop talking right now, and I'm going to get into my Moroccan lentil soup. Let's have a go. Okay, it's a little different than what I expected. Not spicy at all, to be honest with you. Not spicy at all. And Moroccan food can be spicy if you want it to. Not spicy at all. It also has it has a lightness to it. A lightness that I love. You could probably eat a lot of Moroccan lentil soup because it has this lightness, but also you're getting the protein from the lentils and the oils that's mixed with the actual lentil soup, like the soup, the oil in the soup. It's not thick at all. It's very clean and it has this very flavorful taste. This taste that's like, it's very subtle, but it's there, and it's wholesome, and it's just good for wintertime. Love Moroccan people. What's up? You know, this Moroccan soup, I think lentil soup would be very good before you eat something spicy, or maybe after you eat something spicy. I think you could begin with it, or you can end with it. It's not spicy at all, to be honest with you. It's not spicy at all. But it, like I said, it has this very clean, just clean taste. And if you would look at it, you would think that maybe it would be a little bit thicker, but it actually has this very, very clean, you know, simple flavors, but complex in the way that it's very thin and clean, especially for a lentil soup. They're just getting it right for me right now. Like, especially being vegan, I can see me eating Moroccan food a lot. I know they have meat dishes, and for you guys that eat meat, you guys are probably gonna find a lot of delicious stuff. But for me, like, anybody that has lentil soups or any types of beans or lentils or just anything like that, like, I'm sold, you know. And this is delicious, very delicious. Man, this would probably really go good with some kind of like flatbread or bread. This can also cleanse your palate too. This would probably be a very, very good cleanser. This actually might be really good to eat after spicy food, which I'm starting off with the non-spicy food, and I'm about to go to spicy food, but I guess that's just the way I work. Lentils, very soft. They break away in your mouth very easily. So this is probably a really good food for younger and older people to eat, or maybe even someone that's very, very young, right? Something to definitely eat when it's cold outside, and maybe something to eat when your stomach's not feeling the best, but this will definitely make you feel better, and something that can definitely sit on your stomach. Delicious. Sorry guys, I'm just really hungry, and this Moroccan lentil soup is on point. Okay guys, I'm gonna eat the rest of this, and we're gonna move on to the next food, because I probably should have bought more of this than I did, because it's actually pretty delicious, and it has faint hints of flavor, but it's perfect for like right now and how hot it is and warm it is. Like, and the oil that is used in here with the soup, it's the perfect amount of oil. It's not too oily. You can get a lentil soup that's too oily, and this one is just like, it's just perfect. It's a perfect mix of a simple lentil Moroccan soup. I'm sold. Thanks guys, appreciate it. I will definitely come back again. Okay guys, I'm enjoying myself, you can see. On to the next thing. So this last dish that we have, which is the main dish, right? I start off with the lentil soup, I have my Moroccan tea, is a Moroccan veggie bowl with couscous. But it's very traditional, and I've actually never had couscous. I've gotten all my veggies right here. So we have fresh tomatoes, we have fresh olives, we have all kind of stuff. We have caramelized onions, we have a chili sauce, because you know I like it hot. Let's see how hot Morocco is holding it down right now, because I love spice, and this even smells spicy a little bit, so it might make me cough. Who knows? Let's see if I can withstand this. But we also have other assortments of vegetables, and we have couscous at the bottom. So I'm really, really excited to see what couscous tastes like. Let's just get in right into it right now. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and go straight for the couscous, and it's actually at the bottom of the bowl. You guys should definitely come check out Couscous House. It's on Morse Road in Columbus, Ohio, on the north side, right down the street from Easton, which is a very rich and famous mall in Columbus. And have some, because if you never had couscous, well then, I'm about to tell you why you need to have it. Let's go in. Actually, I'm gonna go in for the couscous and a little bit of carrots, and let's just go for couscous and carrots, because I don't want to make it hot yet. I want to taste how couscous originally tastes. What? Hold on guys, hold on. What? This this what couscous is? Wow. What? Hold on. Really? This is so delicious. It's like the couscous is like, I'm trying to explain it. It's like, it's not like rice. Couscous is like, it's like, how can I say? It sort of reminds me of like African American like grits. Like it reminds me of grits. Like it reminds me of grits, but with not being watery. Like it just reminds me of grits. Like, which is an amazing thing because I love grits. But it reminds me of grits without the water. Hold on, what? Okay. Yeah. Guys, definitely go get some couscous. I'm serious. Like, it might rock your world for real because it sort of kind of looks like rice a little bit. It really does, but it's not. Wow. Wow, Morocco. You guys really living like this in Morocco? Seriously? Wow. Very healthy. We're gonna go in for some couscous, some carrots, some caramelized onions. We got some beans. Let's put everything on here. I want to do a everything bite. Let's do an everything bite, guys. You know what an everything bite is? Well, I just said it. You know what it is. Let's go in for it right now. Moroccan couscous, veggie bowl, assortment of vegetables. Let's do this. Wow. What? Okay. Guys, there's walnuts in here. Like, this walnut that I just bit into with the carrots, with the fresh soft carrots, and the couscous with the caramelized onions and the black olives? What? It gives it a crunch like you've never had before. Let's go in for another bite, guys. Right here. Wow. There's some type of it's either pumpkin or it's sweet potato, but I'm thinking it's pumpkin because I know sweet potato, but it could be sweet potato. I don't know for sure. Somebody can tell me if you're from Morocco if it's possibly pumpkin or sweet potato or some other type of vegetable that I don't even know of. But with the walnut, right, the crunch, and then the softness of the carrot, which has a little bit of sweetness, and then you have this burst of sweetness from whatever that was, either pumpkin or sweet potato. I don't really know exactly what it was, but this is amazing. And then you got the juiciness of the tomato. Wow. What have I been missing my whole life? We have the Moroccan tea. Let's try that with this. Whew. Guys, you have the Moroccan tea that has this mint, that has this honey, hint of honey, has the sugar, has the Moroccan tea, and then you have a little bit of spice, savory couscous that tastes so delicious. I never had it in my life before. Caramelized onions, so you have the spice, then you have the sweet, you have the warm, even more warmer, somewhat a tidbit hot in a good way because it's cold outside, a little spicy. Drink Moroccan tea, takes the spice away. Wow. I am sort of jealous. I'm not going to lie, Moroccan guys. I'm sort of jealous. I am. Wow. This combination is so delicious, and I love that Moroccan people understand different spices and different tastes. Of course, we're talking about Morocco here. Morocco has been around for thousands of years, like one of the oldest civilizations in the world with so many dates. If you don't know what a date is, look up a date, but it's like a big I guess fruit, you would consider a date a fruit, but they have, I think, the highest variety of dates in the world, like thousands of different kind of dates. I mean, Morocco has been a spice capital of the world for generations, for hundreds of years, thousands of years, maybe even. So just to see how ancient and how much the Moroccan people have actually perfected their food over thousands and thousands of years. North African food? Have you ever had North African food? Because if you haven't had North African food, well, dear sir or dear ma'am, you're doing yourself a disservice. Guys, this is delicious. Today, we've tried North African Moroccan food. Please come down to Couscous House on Morse Road, Columbus, Ohio, and come see them. Try their dishes. Very clean place, very good place, very delicious food. As always, like and subscribe. Please turn on your bell notification down there so you'll always get my newest videos. All my social medias, which is Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Facebook, or All African Network. Each one teach one. Always learn from each other. Always love each other. Please go check out the merchandise down there. Guys, I mean, what else can I say? Like, North African food, it's the wave. You know what I'm saying? If you haven't had North African food, you need to get some. That's all I can say, guys. It's delicious. Peace. One love.